11, me and you will be cataract now. So if they like me, they insult me. I'm not surprised. We had problem during easy or more this time. Me una carry it to one. Can I go? You supposed to stop lying. Gaga, you know the shame. You were the friend. You were the friend of Kokobiri man. You see they talk. Kokobiri. Now you the friend. Now they fuck you. You see they talk. Fearless Gaga. You see they talk. Kokobiri man. Now they fuck you. 11, me and you will not be friends. We'll be enemy because of easy matter. In the grant, I personally solicited a job from you. You turned me down. So why you deceiving yourself? It's the grant. Why you lie? If it was date truthful, I tell it to one. I know they find job because I do disoccupation. My disoccupation will expire 2 months time. September I go expire. And they collect small, they pay me small things to take care of myself, everything. Now they enjoy myself. And they enjoy. And they wait for Eloghosa. They come beat me. I'll put them for that video. I tell they wait for now. Not a lie. Eat the ground, not a lie, yeah? Eloghosa, you go well. Am I here to see? The matter, I'll tell you. Come, you come meet police they wait for you for you. Come here. You go and back bijou. Evil friend. Evil friend. Pretender. Unfriendly friend. Now you know the quarrel. When they concern you, concern me and Sky Matter. Don't worry. I will saga you very soon. You see, me go beg una money. For me to beg una money for social media, I will call Africa.
Prof, even if you don't come, you go write report say he don't threaten you because that guy now will find where he go see for secret. When he and him boys want to attack you. So you go write him so that he go do on police record say the guy now this thing. You muted. You muted, Prof. You muted.
Unmute yourself. We don't hear you, Professor. Unmute yourself.
Gonna let me go beg una money. If the grant, you know who get shame. If me ask I get issue, you know come and say what did happen with power on the quarrel. You know go ask me say what did happen when I start the quarrel. Me and you get problem during the time of easy or moruji. That guy, you see they talk, you work Kokobiri they fuck. You say they promote Benin tradition and culture. Kokobiri they fuck you. You say Kokobiri for us. Hey, get out here. So now not that shame. Elabinu, mention what when I do you. If they ask now, say Elabinu, they mean Eloghosa who way. Mention what when I do you. Gaga, mention what when I do you. Each the grant, mention one thing when I do you. All of them they beat me because of jealousy. If the grant, me and you see quarrel, me and you see get problem. Gaga, me and you quarrel before? No. Now me and Sky get issue. Why not carry the matter put for my head? Me, for me to beg money for social media. I will tell them send me the share property for us. Send me the money. My disoccupation will expire 2 months time. The money not too big, but I think they get myself going. Sky, I bet it won't allow go. I will never insult you. Any secret way they bring a comment, video, plan comment. In all past, I love you, I miss you. I want you to be my girlfriend. Finish. Sometimes I go send you some romantic text message. Finish. Tiger say you not toast, I not toast you. Say you get mad to toast you. I get mad, I say they toast you. I be back and I see toast you.
Mama, you be Jakabo.
Baby, I love you. I want you to be my sweetheart. I want you to go out with me. I want us to build up a relationship that will lead to marriage. Let me say I tell you, That's what man they do this now. I say,
when they knock her, when
I can't tell her say,
you better pass
say
you.
one of the reasons,
You know better pass you.
one of the reasons why I love you, one of the reasons why I love you is that you have passion and dedication for traditional culture and Benin history. So if you and I are together, you will be gingering me. Let me tell you the truth to marriage. Not be your beauty, now your passion for traditional culture. It says sea lines. That's I toast time. I say, baby, what did I tell you? How you feel now? If I wake up in the morning, I say, baby, I miss you, I love you, I wish you were here with me. That's Professor. Romancy love. That's what I ask you out now. So I call you in the morning, I say, why are you like, where's your voice calm? I say, I missed you, I wish you were here with me. You say, okay, no problem. Let me say that. See your clean line. Now, so now, I be professional. Nobody is trying to do. As I be romance. Sometimes I go dead door. If I dead door, I would like, I wish you were here with me as a companion. I dey toast now. I don't toast you, I toast you.
We try great professor.
Sometimes me and you go gist till the break. I say, don't worry. I say, when you and I are together, you will know whether I really love you or I'm pretending. You will say, okay, time will tell. Professor, that's I tell toast una yagbe o.
Bad guy, prof.
Sometimes you go there. I say, mercy see your face. You go see on camera. I say, you fine oh. I say, you are beautiful. I say your beauty they torturing me. Let's start toast you now. Nobody is Sabi o. Sabi Kelano. No, the basic reason is this. She has passion for traditional culture and history. That is the basic thing I saw in you. Not be your backyard. Backyard go less. Face go wrinkle. Then secondly, you have a kind heart. I tell her now, I will climb the mountains of the world for you. Yes, I tell her that one.
You want bust her head finish you, prof.
I told her now.
Well, they see OT.
I said, if it is possible, if it is possible for me to carry the whole world, just to express how I feel for you, I will do that.
Hey, Matthew, now make a plea for about that prof. You don't go confess love, bad guy.
My love not be fake, love, not be fake now. That's why I don't feel cost you. When they touch you, when they talk, we communicate now. Yes, at the time I met you, I was passing through some marital issues. Yes, it is true. I laid them to you. I confirm on you because when you speak it out, your pains will be reduced when you speak it out. It's one. All those people where they curse me because of you, I don't offend them. They are jealous because we are very close. That's why they are jealous. They are jealous because you and I are very close. They say they pamper me. Now they make the best for. No, me, I don't do anything. Like Shakespeare lines. Where that would you? That you never see come. I wait for you. Now you go police station today. We must go police station. I wait for you. I'll first start with you. I don't tell you if you come, I'm going to
go the smoke igbo. No man, I go the smoke igbo. They drift, you know.
And if I leave here now, Eraoji, your name is Eraoji Sunday. I want to go Donisha you. So they threaten me. So if anything happen to me, may they hold you.
Kakabo. Because I ain't the one you come when you talking for platform today.
And Eraoji, if you still go Nigeria, you don't see get level. Yes, I will go to there. I will go to there. I'll go and report. Once I leave, I'm going to police office. I'm going to tell them that una ragazo dinero. That was this Sunday. Say they threaten me. You're a shame.
Eloghosa, if he call you again, Eloghosa, record the threat when they threaten you. Record them for WhatsApp. Keep on down.
Yes,
For in
yes,
case.
yes.
That's so not they lose, guy. Record them. That be evidence.
Yesterday we record am.
You don't even get shame. People they fight your friends. They join they fight me.
They know why. They don't like you before. They don't like you before all of them. They just they pretend they use you. They don't like you. Don't they? Keep saying you need to be aware of those people. They don't like you. They just won't use you.
Oh, when they do history, now they do I love you, I can clap that thing. Like I dey see when the thing pay you will feel betrayed. I see am for your eyes say you dey betrayed.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
The
I feel bad. I feel bad. Yeah.
yesterday, I will not insult you. I don't say na love, na love. And I make I know what I say. I don't dey talk with na two adults. You understand? But the only thing she not supposed to come dey run you down. Say you no reach, you no do this one. You know, you have right to talk to anyone. But you say I don marry you, or I get boyfriend, or I know, you know. So no be bad thing. I just dey laugh say so una dey enjoy una sef. You be man now. You get what I dey talk. So that no be anything. That na wetin person call the shame. You can't let they laugh you say you do stuff.
And I was waiting for
the
you.
boss Anyanko. So how we are?
Hello?
The only truthful Benin story and the Eloghosa. Any other Benin story is a counterfeit. Not only you know as a Benin story or Eloghosa. Hear me so now. Because last time I checked, not only you go school for Benin, no any Benin person that go school. Not only you they try, they help them. Now they don't leave you behind upon everything you have done for them. Very ungrateful people.
Papa they do dry cleaner before he die. Is it not a handwork? Thank God say you know say Papa go thief. So people no get sense. If you want cost person, you cost person better thing. Papa na dry cleaner. So what? No be people their partner. No people their partner for one typer. Yeah, I don't understand this Filipino people.
Papa na farmer.
I no just understand this people.
Come back, oh, see the rubbish your father, abeg come back. Prof, even this dey dey me wetin maybe you go open plan for one day, we go me and all of us, me I dey gallant, we go dey help you dey rubbish her. No dey talk say she get yansh, she no get yansh, na foam, na fake yansh she get. Wagbe o, see that stupid the sky. Edede na yongi.
Nightmare, I dey comfort. I dey crush on her before. On the day when I can't go observe her, and the day when I see here say Anyash, he go do surgery for Anyash. When she go do surgery for Anyash, that Anyash, they don't do something for that Anyash. Not today there again. I hear you.
Let me respond to my cousin. My father was a laundry man.
Yes, sir.
My father worked in Emota Hotel. My father worked in Palm Royal at Eloghosa. My father worked as a laundryman. Okay? What about our father? Our father was a farmer. My father gave her father cocoa plantation to look after. For 25 years, our father was not remitting a dime to my father. For 25 years. When my father died through his father, our father wanted to start attacking me abroad here. I will be inside the room, the father will appear. Because after the death of my father, I will take over the property. Our father was trying to attack me. But guess what? May God bless my almighty mommy. Sometimes I will sit like this, I will see something, a table, a shrine in our father's room, where the father will be making recantation against me. So I told my mother said, okay, don't worry, my son, I know what to do. Ask her who killed our mother. Our father killed our mother.
Imagine.
Our father. Our father can't use our mama to prolong her life. By the time the household enemy, ancestors of that school, fight papa.
Yeah,
Yes. Before the father died, the father was rotting on one side. Our father, just the father was rotting on one side. While he was here alive, he was written. He was bedridden where he was. Then he confessed.
But the person be like that, you don't say the person don't do evil. Now evil people they will die alive.
You get Papa picture, more mountain, more disgracing Papa.
And that was your father is a
So
man.
our father,
Is that what somebody supposed to be ashamed of? Say Papa get hand work. Thank God say you don't say your papa na thief. Your papa is a wash cloth. What did that one come with? It's a professional. If na abroad your papa do, I don't know how much. I bet some people don't know what they want to cost person. Thank God say no say your papa na thief. Thank God say no say your papa go dey sleep with married women. Eh? Thank God say not say your papa go dey grape children. Say your papa na laundry man. That one na cost. I don't understand though.
I be wan buy iPhone from your cousin hand o. Dis thing wey you tell me now, no go fit buy am again o. E no go better for your, just Vivi, e no go better for your papa. E no go
hold
die
on, hold
well.
on, hold on, hold on. Let me continue. Hold on, let me continue. Before our papa died, when they rotate for body, they shit for body, they piss for body. The father confessed and died. The day the father died, they quickly went to go and bury him. They did not put it in mortuary because you cannot ban my father. Are you hearing me now? Ciao.
We hear you.
No, they cannot ban my father because the papa don't roti. The day the father died, they buried him. As I'm talking to you now, I had that brother. He's still dragging the property with me. I had that brother. He's still dragging the property with me now. He doesn't want to relinquish the cocoa plantation to us. They called the family meeting. The family meeting said, go and hand over. He refused. I had that brother. Ask her if I'm lying. Like father, like daughter.
How be say dem come from criminal family? Just e no go better for your papa o. Your papa e no go even sleep well for dat grave wey im dey. Criminal father.
Wetin be her papa name? Make we dey call the man head. Make e no fit rest well.
The papa name so dat go fit dey knack am for inside grave.
I never see.
Press the guy so that they'll say the first talker
Yeah.
and say you know
The,
they
the,
okay.
the girl too
Eh?
useless. People wey you never see before for your life, you dey take their side
Eh.
against you.
Well, some people useless sha oh. You just see them online, they promise am phone. You can't join them, they fight your own cousin. Which fight una don even quarrel? Eh? Despite say una get family issue, you no tell them oh, now you call the carry am for head. because they promise you phone. And the phone, you're not going to even give am. If they even buy it for her, they'll use am beat am tomorrow.
See, Lily, the day where that girl come that platform, I remember say Eloghosa the introducer say, na my sister, me when they follow am, she dey sell phone, she dey sell this so. He say, pa Eloghosa West say, he never reached 3 months old. He don't bring out her snake behavior.
I even personally called Sky and spoke to her. I said, please look after her for me. He said, no problem. It's a family thing.
I will tell me, everybody saying, and so they go use mouth, buy wig, shop. They say they go buy wig. Oh. Now then still come back and talk, say,
Logos are they quarrel for that place. Oh.
yes. They, now then,
And they call the verse say they toast the girl for the platform. The eye no dey for Elogos I know wey call the verse say they toast the Elogos the professor.
buy wig for her hand. Oh. Now these same people come talk say na fake she dey sell. Yeah, let go sir. Be say
Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. He's the main enemy. Yes, he's right.
yes, Naim. You know, say people wey dey greet like game one, they get a Joe ancestry. You dey laugh, Abi?
Wetin wetin you wonder myself, eh? They call Eloghosa a same bay snake. For the girl present, when they get the same blood, oh, the guy they there, she knows say indirectly they call her a same bay too. No, wahala dey oh. They say in snake blood when they inside and don't start to the work. And the guy they there. No. Inside, don't be say just they still they contribute. They talk say yes, that snake not the work.
They want
You self
of
that
it.
snake,
They
you
won't
don't
be.
know.
They won't become that SMB. They can never become that SMB. They can never be like Asan for their life, for their entire life. They are
Okay, we now
jealous
buy
of Asan
the
people, useless
People they
people.
wake up, they will wake up in the morning, they green like Jason. They go they hail us with the Esan people. They hail Esan land. Eh? So they be original SMB already. Because
Eh,
every
now.
morning they hail Esan.
The man say something they
Eh?
cause their ancestors.
Me,
That means an ancestor don't dey greet like
I
this,
never
son.
wake up in the morning, they greet Labini, like Edo. But then they greet like Jason. Who call Mumu pass?
Don't mind them. This guy said, "Don't be like this, son." She dey greet.
There, go reach this people. He said be people mandate. I don't know the mandate we don't fit collect. Na
Na
like
Mecheli, Madali, na Mecheli say me we dey call her. Na Mecheli na.
Mecheli. If you see am, Mecheli. In fact, he ran full chair. Obesity. He be like Mecheli. Where they talk. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Now that one is a bit talking. Shut the fuck up.
Don't mind them.
That Benin finest, now like so she dey agree to.
Bini, Ele Bini with pride. Don't be like this, son. That Mungu dey greet.
So now still like yes, huh?
Eh, na hate when food their body and not be small. Oh. Ah, no.
So these people they hate themselves.
Ima
Self-sabotage.
so say you insult all the entire ancestors dead or alive. You know say when they greet like this, son. Your ancestors now you did indirectly insult. Yet they dey support them. Useless.
Ima swear we be wonder. Oba talk in the talking you.
Mass where
Who
we
be?
don't know
Yeah.
history. We thought say that they do revise for Okada. Then they thought say
Imagine they ask about Babu that they no both talk. Mr. President, remember?
they thought say he know history pass Eloghosa.
Yes, so yes.
Where they do U-turn. Ask her whether Okada don dey that time. Orua don dey wey they say they do U-turn. Eh? Nonsense.
Body wey want peace with Eloghosa, una go come here. The mouth wey una use take insult the gods, una go come here, come use am rub ground for the shrine. Eloghosa,
They say they go call
no let them
Eloghosa,
scope
they
you.
go call them. Now for Eloghosa platform, they go for do am. All of them will acknowledge his position. They will apologize to him and he will set his standard. Right. And Eloghosa will be on his platform saying his history. We will do our own. You understand? We just dey here to support him because they won't depress the guy. Because they know say the guy, he dey disoccupied to him and his wife get issue. They won't call use that opportunity to depress the guy. They can't expect say make we too come be like the evil people that get evil minds.
I don't know where your mama for carry you come. I can't tell where with DNA, but you're not there. Ah, maybe they for find that say no be your papa born you.
My
Because
cousin
your
be this.
younger ones, they are so innocent. You dey craze. Who build us when be say your mama and your papa dey for Iguomo? Who build us? Not be Osa say you dey craze. Not be Osa say Henry. Not be the gather team raise down your papa and then
Abeg, make una dey record that for me. Make una dey record that for me.
Now they don't raise their
Una
papa.
una dey
My
record
mother
that.
was
Make una record that for me.
like, oh, thank God, though. My mother get
Yes,
to
People
where
yes.
to
follow
record
your
that for
mother.
me.
This is cousin
Well,
wey
I know you feel house. Which house you go?
But are you recording now?
Which house you gather so papa then you don't
Yes.
get I beg my sister. I was say the junior sister they work for
yeah,
one.
Eloghosa with another person get issue. You come
Hold
carry am
on,
come
hold
to
on,
family
hold on.
problem.
Lily, hold on. Can you replay it again? Replay it for me. We are still recording it.
Yeah,
Replay it.
when I share. Fearless, let me tell you something. The younger sister, when they say if they talk say they work for pharmacy, so that girl is also very intelligent. See, and they tell you, you know, go fit see apart from Melon, go say you know, if you see any of my family members when go they disgrace us online, even anywhere, we get the way we take the hold ourselves. That is sister, so she was once a lecturer. She's very beautiful. Yes, she has money, but I don't know about that pharmacy. Do you know why? Because I don't want to talk with you. I don't know. But for now, we say he's a very big liar. Oh, yeah, you don't do as you don't talk as well. Oh, keep some. I get why. I
See, says they use them.
keep some first. I
Remember, I get problem. Eh? The highest I can do now to come on. I think you have to get problem. Now to come out, lead them when they fight themselves. I don't fit talk to both of them.
Some people, this is why we call them some people. You understand?
Sell out, no, she do now. Sell out.
Hello, hold on. I can hear you. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh,
Please.
okay.
Hold on, please. There is the person that is playing that audio of my cousin. Play the one when he said our father is the one that built the house. Which house? Where is mentioned about your father the one that built the house? Let us play it from
You
that
say
place
now
so
your
that we
brothers,
can record
now
it.
your brothers build the house.
Play it, Joseph.
Hey, go. I don't feel play 'em. I go send them to you later. I dey record them.
They don't have any other topic. Jealousy won't finish them. Okay, ask me whether as Agbe Okosun rubbish our history. We don't ever invite Agbe Okosun or carry Agbe Okosun come our platform. Now they don't succeed. I don't say
Now invite and come with this guy platform. Allah go buy you there. You dey lie.
back. begin the juice Eloghosa. After they don't use and finish, they go dump am. Me, I don't know the guy bring when you Eloghosa, man. It's more combe. It's more combe. It's so painful to see this kind of people now. Dead brain.
You don't have that one issue before.
Thank God say the one with my father senior direct, they around now, she dey Bini. I beg, Mona send me all those records, though. Make I play them for her. You see, Eloghosa, you see that abroad where you know not be abroad today because me went in Nigeria, I will better pass you. Yes. I better pass you way more Eloghosa.
And you dey beg me for money 2 times. You beg me, you ask me, you beg me for money 2 times. You beg me, you beg me money 2 times. You beg me money 2 times.
Which one? Without my papa money, my papa investor, all of them. No, I take money now. I know what I want is that. Eloghosa, no who are backbone. Your mama will not get slippers. Your mama will
I dey record them. I dey record them.
at the end.
Record them.
I say, the juju. That make Ulele buy your papa because you know why. Ulele search my father hearts. Search everywhere. Say, this man is so nice to the other brother. That make her remove. Before your papa die, not be saying they shit for body, they piss for body. Before my papa die, my papa not piss for body, not piss for body. My papa, they enjoy.
Really?
You go to military base today, they will tell you, Mr. Giwa, my father, they sick bed, they share money, they give nurses. If they share money,
Really?
Vivi, I beg, don't talk about it, mama. Vivi, mama. Mama not send a message. That one says, you don't know what to do. But she don't know. I'm this guy. You don't let me talk something. Let me say something. See, you don't know Eloghosa Richards. Eloghosa mama. Eloghosa, you know the shame. You know the shame. You when you betray your mama, they kiss your papa. Now they mad. Eloghosa, why tell her yes? Mama, you don't know her Richards. Let me talk. No, baby, rest. Don't worry. No, sir.
See as a mutant, they mutant like dog. So shut up.
You know wise. That make her dey protect us today. You know wise.
Eloghosa should they talk to it, huh? For your mouth.
Don't worry. You will see
Two-Face.
as you go to regret all these things. No. I like them. Vivi, go and sleep. You want tell me say when your papa dey alive, your mama no quarrel one day. Una no take side. Some children go join their mama, some go join their papa. You dey hear now. So all this way they talk for me, it no even make sense. No, for me, person like me, all this kind of thing, no be wetin I dey carry like say, hey, this is you don saga Eloghosa. I beg go sleep. Your mama, your papa no quarrel one day when your mama, your papa dey alive. E get family where they know dey quarrel. We don see family husband and wife go dey fight, so children go join mama or go join the papa. You understand now? So that way they talk na rubbish. Say Eloghosa dey join mama. Na that one you wan come tell us for social media. Na that one you wan come take us your cousin. Wey will come talk say, oh, you don talk better thing. You don finish am. You are very stupid. That place where you dey. You think that they go trust you? I no go trust you. They'll keep the record. And they'll take fire you when they will beat you tomorrow. We dey here now. They go tell you. Who does not know Perry? Yes.
Eloghosa. Based on your experience and what you have seen and what is going on, you don't use other people record when they are playing it. Though that means you don't have anything to say. Lily Babe 25 took back. Eloghosa. Have you listened? Eloghosa. Common sense is not common. Atiana is a big when yang. Iaraso. Adu wenye.
I for tell you what you will talk. I be asking why if you landlady, if you are so. Yeah, they call it the landlady tribe. We are going to cry. And because of Eloghosa, if not, if I hear your own. Yeah. And that thing like Igbe Aga tribe, but so go. That like if you landlady, but we are so rubbish.
Relax. But when any man, even Osio, we are here, we or mine or J. You don't know what that guy passed through. I saw yesterday for this guy panel. My bro, you don't know. My, you don't know anything. You're not scared. The chest stand to tell you, don't know. Now make I tell and say make it enter house, but nobody know. You say that way like you want to. I never tell the what. I say enter house. Oh man, you can't call the pretend for TikTok. Say you say, will you test? I bet my guy sit down. When we have once, if not some guests, they don't rubbish, but I say they control myself. Because
It want you to the make mat you rubbish me. If you get secret, talk and come out. Talk and come out. You will know yourself. Where you dey now? You will know yourself where you dey. Not the I don't like your boasting. Where you will know where you dey now. Oh, you moon talaja.
brother, I mean, I say, Eloghosa, Wetin make my senior sister bring 1.7 million come aside? Because why? Here man go naya zero. You know your talk of I get where. Relax, first. Wait. Relax. Yeah, no talk for you.
Baby sky. Trust me, it's not the way we're meeting you. Even noise.
Noise? I'm not even noise there.
Me 5 minutes first. Try and see we're going to
What to one of our bedrooms are here. What do if at all waiting the happen we don't see the way they go now. This are Eloghosa sister now you are going to still talk to. You got to the wash your back. They get me so because Eloghosa Modia I don't know. You understand because I don't know how come about this life, a grown-up man like that, you and person get issue, you carry your family problem, come and talk on the talk. You know, the thing, be now small picking talk, na be that one. You know, or you report out to your family. Because when I discuss this morning, I hear when they talk and say, if you call us now, so you will carry boys, come play you. So this useless boy, they say 25 to...
Bros, not this. You say Eloghosa. Tell Eloghosa, say make up West come. You know, no, see. Eloghosa, if my papa die, my papa name not lost. You know the man I deal with for house. I know they show myself. Eloghosa, try it. Try it. Just try yourself. Is it because I am calm? Is it because I am calm? I know they show myself. Why? Because
You there with you hold on.
Can I speak?
You there with hold on, when I mute am first now.
No vex.
Oyoba mute am first.
Epa, can I speak?
You there with map for us, now you got to beg me money. Mama say I not give you money, that's not answer you. You beg me money 2 times. You know I not give you. Mama say I not give you dime. You ask me money 2 times. The reason why I didn't give you at least 20,000. Now I asked my mama that I should not give you a dime. So I not give you 1 naira. I'm not trying. That's why I not send you money at least 20,000. When you ask me 2 times, I not send you money because before I come, my mama say, "Hey, you go there." That's why I didn't send you money. My mother live in town. Your mother lived in the village. The money where your mother get where for Sian, the cocoa plantation way of my